It's finally here, text-based editing in Premiere Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to use the transcript editor to take your editing to the next level, saving you loads of times by removing paragraphs of text, pauses, and everything to make sure that your video is engaging for your audience. Let's have a look. Okay, so text-based editing in Premiere Pro Beta. It's insane, and I really want to show you guys. I'm so excited. So you can see I'm in Adobe Premiere Pro Beta, and I've got this silly little welcome window. I'm just going to click X, and for the sake of today, I'm just going to go ahead and do a new project, just really quick, untitled. Shouldn't normally do that, but okay, whatever, it's fine. What I'm going to do then is you'll see here that there's a transcript window, and that should open up by default. If it doesn't, just go to window and make sure that text is ticked, and then you've got captions, graphics, and transcripts, what we're going to want. So I'm going to go ahead and import some footage of me speaking to the camera where I'm doing a lesson on camera exposure, particularly aperture by here. And you can see now, if I drag this across into here, have a look at what happens up here in a moment. You can see very quickly it's generated this entire manuscript. And what I can do is, let's perhaps say, right, I've been talking, I'm just going to mute this. Let's say, oh, it needs it, sorry, there you go. Let's say, oh, I've been talking for quite a while, this whole section by here, or let's see, is there any pauses? Possibly not, because I would have gotten rid of them. Let's say, tell you what, I don't want to tell them this bit. I can highlight this text. I can take that sentence out. I don't want to tell the students that, or whoever I'm doing it. I'll highlight that text, and all of a sudden, it's highlighted it by here, and if I hit backspace, it's gotten rid of it. That's really cool. Now here we've got these three dots, and if you see this, what it's saying is there's a pause there. So I'm going to click this, and I'm going to say, yeah, this pause, I'm going to delete this. Backspace, and it's now deleted that. Let's see if there's any other pauses in here. There's another pause by here, so I'm going to click this. Where is it? It's right by there. And I don't want any pauses in this because it's going to make my audience bored. So I'm going to right click, delete, and it's made another cut. I also want to say, oh, well, let's get rid of this bit. So I'm going to remove this whole sequence, and let's just zoom out. What you want to do is right click and go delete ripple, because it'll move it back as well. And now what we've got, I'm just going to mute it now, even though we won't see the words. We've just edited this entire video just by using the dialogue. So that's that. I'm going to leave it there really quick. Import your footage. The transcript window should automatically start transcripting. If you don't see it, window, text, highlight what you don't want, what you do want, right click, delete, and it'll make all of these cuts for you. Really cool, guys. I hope you have fun with that. I hope you found it useful. Leave me a comment of what you think and what you want me to cover in future tutorials, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos. See you then.